ngateba tigatoko ngaiti circular ngateba tigatore te mid-year exam so that mwana oyo gwete subject ye akore mid-year exam in June July egera September unaona abati pare osoe university asoe na borobu tacha kuripiti umwaka umugi macha basoara with the other side ndakora a spirited Kenya ni akaenda koti akaruna akuru akaja koti gagusi akaiwe court order igatinigente we are fighting it in court because you realizing umwana oyo life yae are affected because of one subject and because of not of their own making and it can be corrected and there's nothing wrong with the problem jarenga onegento bunekyo so we cannot do things because we'll be stopped so we are fighting around it I'm about the public participation but Humanity Act allows us to give exams and give even repeat exams and supplementary exams and all that, which is our responsibility. So we are fighting that to see ketindochi prejudice. I did not see any inkibono mundu ya go safa kero mwana akoda matemu mutinyo safa zona no jire school. So those are some of the things to kunya kotema ngaki to kunya course correct. Is there a way to correct igente ke kan kebebia